Hey everybody, this is just a quick little update of some things I've been working on. Dark and Darker came out a few weeks ago, so I've been playing that a lot. Haven't been working on my engine as much as I should be. I added in some options for changing in, different vehicle settings, and there's more that I've implemented that I can change. But just for this UI, I just had some basic ones. So, for example, with these settings, that's what it looks like when I drive, and I can turn my torque way up. It's pretty much my power, right? And, drive real fast. And it also has some interesting side effects where when I can like turn, this looks kind of crazy. Looks kind of cool. Something else I was working on was I put in a color picker and I made an option where I can replace different colors in a material. So for this example, I have two different colors on the truck that I can change. So if I hit change color 0, I can make, that red. And if I hit change color 1, make that, obviously it doesn't really look good if it's green, but like white kind of looks okay, I guess. And I was pretty excited about that. And the way I'm doing this is just in the shader, I'm replacing the color. And there's a few advantages of this. You might be wondering, okay, why not just have, materials that I change? Well, the problem is, this door, for example, only has one material, but there's all different kinds of color things on here. So by being able to just replace a specific color on it, it allows me to reduce my number of draw calls. Currently, for every section of the vehicle, I'm doing a draw call, but I was thinking what I could actually do is find all the parts that move and generate some kind of fake skeleton for it. I mean, it would be a skeleton, but it wouldn't be like a pre-built skeleton. And then I could maybe get this all down to maybe 3 draw calls. I'm not handling the transparent windows, but I would have a draw call for the whole body, and I would, have the vertices tied to the bones for the generated skeleton. And then I could have the 4 wheels in a draw call, and then I could have the transparent window in its own draw call, because that would have to occur in the transparency pass after all the opaque objects are rendered. But currently, it's quite a few draw calls just for this one truck, so it'd be nice if I could reduce it down. And they're all using everything here is referencing the same material, except for the windows. The windows are the only thing that are on their own material, I believe. But yeah, that's all I really got. It's just a short update. The next thing, I really want to work on generating physics colliders for my custom 3D model format. And that way, when I create vehicles and stuff, I can load in these actual vehicle models and use them instead of using, the green rectangle I have right now that I'm driving around. But I need to be able to generate a shape that actually accurately represents what I'm looking at here. And there's some more complicated things, like I want to have hinged constraints so that I can like lower the tailgate and so I can open the doors. And doing all that is a little more involved, but it doesn't seem too bad. It seems like JoltPhysics makes it very, very possible to do. Whereas if I was messing around with PhysX or something, I'd probably be really lost. But yeah, that's all I've got. And thanks for checking out the video.